Summertime, and we're having dinner outside, and I wanted to show you what we're having on a protective diet. I made a salad tonight, and I tossed each component separately in the zesty Italian dressing and then put it on top of a bed of iceberg lettuce that I chopped and tossed in the dressing. And I'll show you all the different components here. I have broccoli sprouts, I have green bell pepper, mung bean sprouts, which I'm going to have a guide for you coming up soon on how to make those super full and lush and hydrated. And carrots. These are lentil sprouts, diced apple, ruby raw kraut. Oh, those are broccoli sprouts. Those are radish sprouts. And then the same thing over here again. I just repeat each side, and in the center are what I have been loving is seasoned roasted chickpeas. Cooper's loving the chickpeas. I make them plain for him. This is his treat jar here. I just roast the chickpeas in the air fryer. Sit, Coopy. Good boy. And then we have our bread maker, onion loaf bread. Oh my gosh. And this was from class on Tuesday. So I sliced it and toasted it. It's nice and warm and soft. And I'm going to layer my heavily dressed salad on top of there. Oil-free heavily dressed salad with the zesty Italian, of course. Jerry grilled some corn. I'm going to cut up a watermelon after we go through all our seeds, making sure that I planted all the ones I wanted to plant for spring and summer. So fun. I got a lot of really unique varieties from Baker Creek, rareseeds.com. Check out their seed collection. It is fascinating. They have the best seed catalog that I like to look at in the wintertime. And then this is just a little cup of hot rice for Jerry, left over from last night. And he will top it with the mango habanero hot sauce, what's left of it. Oh my gosh, this hot sauce is the best. You've got to make some. Get those honey mangoes. Get that hot sauce fermenting. I have 2 jars that are going to be ready on Saturday. And then I have my PD lemonade. This is a sugar-free lemonade. You know what this is. It's Pellegrino, the plain one in the glass bottle, with lemons. Just squeezed right in a jar with a glass straw. Makes it so delicious. And that's what we're having for dinner tonight, and watermelon for dessert. Take care.
Best of health.